Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
वर्षाचे वयर जाले आमकां वाड्याक उदक ना PWDचे उदक आनी जे आमकां बोरवेल मारून दिले ती सुद्दां कॉन्टेमिनेटेड जाले आनी आज आमकां खातले जाले ड्रिंकींग आमकां उदक ना
खंयच्या पंचायत आमकां कंफर्टेबल दितले सुख शांती पयलीं काम जातली दिस इज गॉड दिला what is what दिला harmony at home so that will be harmony at home so here of these points I have discussed they are neglected and deprived me directly
deputy sarpanch काय झाले section sarpanch deputy board member section के बोर्ड
सिंपल पोतून वाच हो लोकां समजिकाय दिता तो समजिकाय दिवपाक ना हांव दिता
ना तू वाच
तू वाच
Wait. The meeting of the Gram Sabha shall be presided over by the each sarpanch and attended by the concerned panchayat member. In the absence of the sarpanch, deputy sarpanch, or ward member, the meeting may be presided over by any member chosen by the Gram Sabha.
We are not. I am ready to choose any member over here. I am ready.
Nobody.
We are not because they will not have any answers to our questions. It is just to waste our time. This is just to waste our time. Now 8 months have passed. There are danger trees. Now there is Jodhapaka in charge.